Good morning students. Welcome to the St. Thomas School. Today we are going to learn Standard 4 English Grammar. Lesson number 12 Present Tense. Page number 39. Simple Present Tense. Before starting the Simple Present Tense, I would like to tell what tense actually means. Tense indicates the time of an action when action is happened. Like if some action has happened, some activity has happened, we need to know that the time when it happened. It happened today, it happened yesterday, or it is going to happen tomorrow. That means tense shows the time of action when it happened. The tense is divided into three parts. Which parts is this? Present, past and future. Present means, present we can say that it is today. It is the time which is going on right now. Past means yesterday. Yesterday is the time that has already gone, already ended. And future means tomorrow. Future is the time that is yet to come, like tomorrow. Okay, let's start with the book. Simple present tense. The simple present tense tells us about actions done regularly as a habit. We often use words like usually, generally, everyday, always, etc. with the simple present tense. So, whenever you see that usually, generally, everyday, always into the sentence, you have to know that this is the simple present tense. Like, hi, here we have some example. Like, hi, I am Mani. I usually get up at 6 o'clock in the morning. You can see here. Usually words. It is a simple present tense. I learn classical music. I practice music every morning. Every morning. So we can say that it is a simple present tense. I have a very good friend. His name is Sunil. He loves tennis. This is the habitual action. He loves tennis. He plays tennis every day. You can see every day. In the evening, we both go to swim. All verbs in red in the above passage are in the simple present tense. They tell us what Mani, Sunil do as a routine. Okay? That means daily activity, daily actions. The simple present tense is also used to talk about things that are always true. This is the universal truth, like the earth is round. We cannot deny it because the earth is round. This is the universal truth. So it comes in simple present tense. The sun rises in the east. It is also universal truth. So what we learn? That habitual action or daily actions comes into the simple present tense. Like that means some actions that we do regularly or daily. Like we brush our teeth daily, we go to school daily. So there are so many activities that we do our daily basis. So it comes in simple present tense. So whenever we have to talk about habitual action or daily action, at that time we have to use this simple present tense. Like universal truth, general truth, simple facts, present facts. Universal truth means the sun rises in the east, the earth moves round the sun. These all are the universal truth. It is also comes in simple present tense. And simple facts, present facts about someone or something, like he is very tall. So this is the present fact. It is also comes in simple present tense. Okay. We know that the verb must always agree with the subject of the sentence. Now subject means the person who performs the action or the about whom we are speaking, we are talking. That is known as the subject. Given below is a table showing how the verb changes form according to the subject in the simple present tense. Subject: I, we, you, they, Roma and Soma. Verb: whenever the subject is I, we, you, they, Roma and Soma. You can see here. We, they, Roma and Soma. It is plural. So whenever subject is plural, what we have to do? We have to use verb in first form. Verb in root, verb root. You can see here: study, run, play, drink. Whenever subject is I and you, there is also verb is remain same. Verb root: study, run, drink. Now the next: he, she, it and Niranjana. He, she, it and Niranjana is a singular form. So in a whenever subject is in singular form, we have to use verb plus s, es or ies. You can see here: studies, drinks, plays. Okay. Now the next. We do not use the root form of the verb be alone. Instead, we use is, am or are. Like Nidhi is a good girl. Exercise A. Fill in the blanks with the simple present tense, simple present forms of the verbs given in brackets. First one. Mr. Jha is a teacher. C dash in Pune Public School. You can see here. Here is the C. C. What we have to do? Verb plus s, es or ies. So which is the correct answer? Teaches. Mr. Jha is a teacher. She teaches in Pune Public School. Now the next. They are taxi drivers. They dash drive taxis all over the town. You can see here, students. I, we, they, you, they, Roma and Soma. We have to use verb root. So which is the correct answer? Drive. They are taxi drivers. They drive taxis all over the town. Adam is a baker. He dash bake birthday cake with great skill. You can see. Here is he. So what you have to do? You can see. He. Verb root plus s, es or ies. So here Adam is a baker. He bakes birthday cakes with great skills. Okay. So complete this exercise in your homework. Okay. Thank you.